The banquet of champions was first class, and it represented very well to treat our players who we believe are first class, to bring an event to such a great place like Frisco, Texas. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Texas Tornado, Gary Jelena, Ben Reber, Shannon Smith, their staff, their volunteers. What a great job they performed to bring this whole thing together. Gotta thank the fans. The fans for all that you did this week, all the competition. There was a lot of games up there, a lot of cheering, all of that good stuff. Also want to congratulate all the teams and coaches for getting here this week. What a great job. Let's give these guys on the ice a round of applause. First of all, we're going to announce this year's combat hockey all-tournament team. If you're here and I call your name, please come up and join me. From the St. Louis Bandits, goaltender Spencer Bealey.
Hell yeah.
From the Texas Tornado, defenseman John Kirkland. From the Fairbanks Ice Dogs, defenseman Anton Racklin. From the Amarillo Bulls, from the Amarillo Bulls forward, Joe Kozlak. From the St. Louis Bandits, forward, Joe Kalis. And finally, from the Texas Tornado, forward in combat hockey, most valuable player of the 2012 Robertson Cup, Jordan Loving. Now for the St. Louis Bandits, winning 42 games during the regular season, won the division for the 5th time in 6 years, led the NHL playoff wins with 9 wins. Congratulations to Governor Mike Brooks, head coach and general manager Jeff Brown. You guys have nothing to be ashamed of. You guys did a fantastic year. Let's give them a big round of applause. Winning 36 games during the regular season, played in a playoff six overtime games. This is now their 5th Robertson Cup title. Congratulations to Gary Jelena, Tony Vitale, and the Texas Tornado. Will the captains of the Texas Tornado please join me to accept the Robertson Cup? Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Robertson Cup champions, your Texas Tornado.